welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I am a mother, a beautiful mother to Adrian, and a wife to Ula, fashionista, model, motivational speaker for my sisters, my cyber sisters, and an actress. But above all, darlings, I am a makeup addict. I always pray to the Lord above and I say to him, may I never find a cure for my addictions. Do not lead me in that direction. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this episode. I am excited. Why? Because I'm out here in California. You guys, the regular ones, you guys know that by now. And I'm so excited to be in this beautiful sunshine state reviewing what other than the Warrior 3 palette by JUVIA'S place. You know that this is one of my favorite brands in the entire universe, and they sent it to me. Thank you very much, JUVIA'S place. You know that I am always grateful. So I had fun today because I played with this palette as well as my collab with them, the Fumi times JUVIA'S palette. But let us stick with the Warrior palette. So this is the last sister to join the family of warriors. We had the Warrior 1, we had the Warrior 2, and we have the Warrior 3. The Warrior 1, it was all of those golds and metallics, and then the 2 was red. Oh my God, they spoke to my spirit. And this is fun. This is pinks and this is blues. So this is the packaging that it came in, and it says, an edgy and brilliant witted masterpiece inspired by the Dahomey warriors, radiating champions full of vigor and strength. The Warrior 3 palette was created with high technology to unleash 9 pigments, all in defiant, dramatic, and daring shades. And right away, as you can see when you've done this look, I thought of Cleopatra Circa, Elizabeth Taylor, and Richard Burton. She was the most beautiful Cleopatra I have ever laid eyes on. You guys have to watch that vintage piece. And so that's how I came up with this beautiful cat eye. She's a warrior, what can I tell you? Packaging to die for. It comes in the bubble wrap so that you don't have any of the pans breaking. Then here, my darlings, is the palette. It's the same as the packaging, and when you open it like so, you have 9 pans. You have 7 mattes and you have 2 shimmers, with a blue shimmer down here and a gray shimmer right here. When you open it, you're going to have a film. I've taken the film out because it always falls out. I have to stop, pretend that I knew, so I took it out. You know what? Why not? It retails for $20. That's it, $20. You know JUVIA'S place because I've reviewed so many of the palettes, so you know the drill. They are fantastic when it comes to price point. It is such a grab. It's such a mid-month purchase. It's not going to hurt your bank account. You can still pay your rent. I have gone ahead and I have swatched these pigmented colors for you. And when I tell you pigmented, no primer, nothing at all. I just went boom, 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 and I said, let me give it to you all. Just look at Z colors. And darlings, I use the purple, I use this beautiful Miami blue, that's how I look at it, and I wore this gorgeous green, Earth Mother green, that forest green. This palette is speaking to me in all kinds of ways because you've got the fall right there, and this right here, So there you have it, my darlings. This is the palette, and then, my darlings, it has a shelf life of 24 months. It is cruelty-free, darlings. Designed and formulated in the USA, pressed pigment palette, net weight 32.4 G for all of those that want to be very particular. So without any further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial, and then we will meet out at the other end, and I will tell you how I'm feeling, what I'm working with. All right, sit back and enjoy, darlings.
Some problems with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you have the right, I
love, my darlings? Do we love? This is a strong look and I love it. I love it with all of my heart. You saw me put in the chandelier green earrings because I wanted to top off this look. You already know that I am one to always love pigmented shades. There comes a time in one's life where you just have to accept certain things in life. I'm dark skinned and I love my rich dark skin. I'm not trying to bleach, I'm not trying to be lighter. So I have to be in a world that embraces me. And Juvia's Place palettes, they embrace my dark skin. Translation, they pop off of my complexion without using primer. As you saw in the beginning, I didn't use primer. I didn't use any primer underneath for the green. It just gave me fire. And I'm going to use this green again because I was like, ooh, a forest smoky green eye. I've got the shade. I did not know. I swatched and was like, oh, that's nice. When I put it on, it was something else. It just melted in. Again, price point, as you know, the traditional £9, love. Again, I love the vibe of Empress. I love that feel-good vibe where you can relate to it and you see the packaging that is similar to you and it gives you that keep on going vibe. You are fabulous just the way you are. That's the aesthetic and that's truly where I come from. We are queens. Hence the queen collection. You're always a queen. So again, love. Pop of colors, you can use it on its own. You don't have to use too much. You can just use a little bit in the corner of your eye, on your lid, underneath. I'm loving that underneath shadow. Just put on some lashes, you're good to go. Yes, my darlings. Ula Sunshine.
This is F.D.V approved.
It is absolutely F.D.V approved. It is absolutely F.D.V approved. Why would it not be F.D.V approved? Are we loving this look? Are we loving this look? Where is my handheld mirror so that I can look at myself one more time? You know, so that I can approve myself. Feeling it. Feeling it. Love, love, love this. So you know what, guys, I got to go because I am going to do a photo shoot for you guys so that I have this up on IG for you. And then as you saw, I just used a little bit of my lip gloss. My lip gloss, yes, in collaboration with JUVIA'S, can be used as a matte if you just use a little bit, pat, 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 pat. And that is it. Because the eye was so strong, this is all that you needed. You know, what can I tell you? Darlings, I love you. Go out and get this. I'll put the link below. My gift to you, as always, use my discount code FUMI to save coin at checkout. And I'll see you all in the next episode when we review yet another Juvia's Place fall palette. I love you guys. Take care. From sunny Los Angeles to sunshine in your lives. Wishing you all of the best. Positivity all the way. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Bye. Woo!